This is an investigation into a shape that exists everywhere in mathematics, but nowhere in reality. If you draw a circle on paper, it looks complete and perfect. Mathematically, a perfect circle is very simple. Every point on the edge is exactly the same distance from the center. Now, in reality, perfection seems impossible. Not on Earth or space, not even at the atomic level. Because the moment you zoom in, something unsettling happens. The edge starts to wobble. Atoms refuse to line up. Forces you can't see begin to pull and distort it. Even the smoothest spheres in the universe, whether planets or other celestial bodies, each quietly betrays the same secret. This is the mystery of the perfect circle and why nature never allows it. A perfect circle is a mathematical abstraction, a shape defined in Euclidean geometry with precise unchanging properties. In mathematics, a circle is a set of all points in a plane, which are exactly the same distance from a single fixed point called the center. This definition implies several absolute conditions. The distance from the center to any point on the circle, known as the radius, must be exactly the same everywhere. The boundary must be infinitely smooth, with no bumps, gaps, or irregularities. The circle must exist in a perfectly flat Euclidean plane. In reality, nothing can match this level of ideal symmetry down to infinite precision. A mathematical circle is not built, it is defined, and that is where nature runs into trouble. Nature does not operate in perfect mathematical abstractions. Natural phenomena are subject to imperfections, fluctuations, and interactions that prevent ideal forms. Everything in the physical universe is made of atoms. Everything around us, air, water, trees, stars, and even the human body is made up of atoms. An atom is the basic building block of all matter. An atom consists of a nucleus containing protons and neutrons, surrounded by electrons that move in probabilistic patterns. This means electrons do not have a fixed path, and we can only predict where an electron is likely to be, but not exactly where it is at any given moment. Because of this structure, atoms are not perfect points. They have irregularities at the smallest scale. When you try to build something circular in nature, you are essentially arranging atoms. But no matter how precisely you try, these tiny atomic imperfections create tiny bumps and deviations. Even at the tiniest scale, a perfect edge cannot exist because atoms occupy discrete uneven spaces. Atoms and molecules are constantly vibrating due to heat. This motion means that even a solid object's surface is not perfectly smooth or stationary. Thermal energy causes tiny deviations from a perfect shape. So any circle made of real matter will always have microscopic bumps or irregularities. Gravity also pulls on objects, especially larger ones, causing them to deform. A circle on Earth, for example, might flatten under its own weight. Planets and stars take slightly oblate shapes instead of perfect spheres due to rotation and gravitational stresses. Even Newton's laws predict elliptical planetary orbits, not perfect circles, because of gravitational interactions among bodies. At the microscopic level, electromagnetic interactions between atoms and molecules, which are repulsion and attractions, also create uneven surfaces. Real-world factors like wind, pressure, vibrations, or collisions continuously disturb shapes. All the so-called perfect circles we see are mere approximations. They are shapes that look circular to the human eyes, but collapse under closer inspection. Even soap bubbles, which are often cited as perfect spheres, are only energy-minimizing approximations. One might ask, if perfect circles do not exist, why do we see them? This is because many things in nature try to use the least energy possible. For example, water droplets, bubbles, and planets all naturally settle into shapes that makes them the most stable with the least energy. Under certain conditions, the shape that uses the least energy is almost a circle, because a circle spreads forces evenly and minimizes surface tension or other energy costs. In short, nature likes efficiency, and circles are an efficient shape, but they are never perfectly perfect. Even if an object were perfect, we could never verify it. But more importantly, physics tells us that such perfection is very rare to arise in the first place.